Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift programming logic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about Nil Coalescing operators and how to use them effectively. So Nil Coalescing operators are basically just the two question marks which you put after variables to give them another value, and I'll show you guys how to do this. So how do I spell this? Coalescing, like that. Okay, so basically what you use this to is to provide a default value for when the thing you're trying to assign it to is nil. So for example, what I would do is, if, like, let's say I had a variable called like person, and this was I don't know, a string, let's just say that, and let's just make this optional so that we have our thing optional here, and we haven't actually assigned anything to it. And now let's also assign a var for person name, and for this let's set it as a string, and we will do something for that. So here we can see that we actually have a value for this, and it's not an optional, and this one is an optional, and right now that value is nil. Okay, so let's say we wanted to assign this this to this, so you wanted to change person name to just the person. Now what you would do is you'd want to check if it was nil, because if it was nil then you wouldn't be able to assign it. So what you'd want to do is you could just write if person is equal to nil, no, if person is not equal to nil, you want to make sure it's not nil, so that then you can assign it to that. So person name is equal to person, and you just have to do that, since you can force unwrap it since you know it's not nil. And then else you can just write person name equals no name, like that. So this would be an okay way of doing it. However, it's quite big, so what you can do instead is, if you just write person name is equal to person, and if I just wait, it'll give me an error here, like this. So let's just wait for the error, like this. So what we can do is, if we provide the Nil Coalescing, we can just do no name after this, and now what it's going to do is, if this is nil, it's just going to use this, but if it's not nil, it will just end up using this. So yeah, let me run this now, and we should get it printed. And if I just print person name at the end of this and run it, we should just get no name, since we haven't set anything. So let's see if we get no name, like that. And if I actually assign something to this, then we should get this which I've assigned, like that. Okay, so thanks for watching, and that was how you use Nil Coalescing operators in Swift. See you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.